All right, hey, Josh here with Attica Lumber Company, actually out here in Crawford County, Ohio. Check this out here, 60 by 80, actually a pole barn home, barndominium. And we finished this off in 5 days, if you remember. Watch the clip, and I'll link this up. About 5 months ago I posted this, but I'm gonna show you what we're doing on the inside of this. But before we go inside here, check out this, kind of this textured, I'll mention this again, but a textured sidewall panel. See that? Can you see that? As a cold day out here, but you see how that there's no glare to that. It's a dull metal. And then right here, this is actually a plastic facade wainscot there. All right, so you can see there, 60 by 80, 16 feet tall. But let's go inside. I just want to talk a little bit about the insulation as well on this, but you can see the guys. Just kind of give you an overview of this. And then we'll talk about a little specifics here. All right, but you can see what we're doing right here. Actually, we're using 2-foot sections here of craft face. As you can see right there, R19 insulation. And you can see how we set this up. Now, there's different ways to do this, different ways to roll with this. Obviously, 8-foot sections between post to post. And you can see on this, we used actually a concrete perma column. So we've done this before. And if you watch, there's another video. I think actually it's from the bumper video that shows it was a 60 by 100. But I believe we used, I can't remember if we used 4-foot section or 8-foot sections in there. But you can see here we use 2-foot sections. Craft face, you can see those are 24 inches there. All right, so the R19 insulation, and then you can see what we're doing as well. We got the sidewall panel put up, and then over here as well, check out the wainscot, the interior wainscot. Got a gray look there, and then also the white sidewalls. And you can see what the baffles are doing here. Again, these baffles are plastic. But I've seen them, you know, you can use cardboard, you can use, actually there's a styrofoam, but you can use plastic. I've seen different applications being used before. But the usage of that is that lets the air obviously go up to the ridge vent right up there. And then also when you're blowing in this, we're blowing in cellulose insulation, 30-inch. And what that compresses to, actually, it's gonna compress to about 8.5 inches. So 30 inches of cellulose, but what it does, these baffles, it doesn't let an insulation run back into the soffit. So a couple use cases there. And then you can see we put the ladder panel. These guys are getting after it here on that as well, okay? So we go over here, you can see that the electrical getting set up. But this is actually gonna be a pole barn home, like I said, a barndominium. And you can see, kind of give you an idea here. Just 2 doors on this, 2 overhead doors, and actually a walk-in door. So give you an idea of what you're looking, if you're looking to set something up like this. Save maybe a little bit of money versus doing a conventional home. So this will give you an idea here. So that is how we roll with that. And again, I'll link up the other video that shows you how we did this frame and we did this exterior in 5 days. And then also check out the, I believe it's the bumper video that shows how we did a 60 by 100, how we lined that up with 8-foot sections of insulation. So there you go. The next one, again, comments always welcome. And the next one, keep a lock loader right here. Attica Lumber, Attica Lumber since